Hello students. So in last video we had learnt about evaporation and transpiration of water. Okay. So today we are going to study about how are clouds formed. How are clouds formed means only condensation. It is called condensation. Okay. So you have open your textbook page number 140. 140. Okay. So first here having one activity. So look at this. Take a glass half filled with water. Wipe the glass from the outside with a clean piece of cloth. And what you have to do? You have to take a glass. That glass half filled with water. एक ग्लास लेना है, उसमें एक उसमें पानी डालना है. Okay, add some ice into the water, and then what you have to do? You have to add some ice into the water. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Observe the changes that take place on the outer surface of the glass. Okay, so from where do water drops appear on the outer side of the glass? So student, see, first we have to take one glass, then fill this glass with half of water, then we have to add some ice cubes into this glass. Then we have to observe. Then what we will observe? After 1 minute, the some droplets of water that are settled on the outside of the glass. Correct? Means क्या होता है जब आइस डालते हैं तो थोड़ी after a few minutes some droplets of water that are settled on the outer surface of the glass. क्या होता है? तो जब हम फ्रिज से भी बॉटल निकालते तो उसके ऊपर बॉटल के आउटसाइड में भी वाटर के ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, द कोल्ड सरफेस ऑफ द ग्लास कंटेनिंग आइस वाटर, करेक्ट, cools the air around it and the water vapor of the air condense on the surface of the glass. So what will happen? The ice, see, when we are putting or when we are adding the ice into this glass, then what will happen? That water is turned into the ice water or cold water, and the vapors that comes from that ice cubes, the vapor that comes from the ice cubes that are condensed or air condensed into that vapor, and that vapors are settled on the glass. That vapors are settled on the glass. Okay, so we notice. So okay students, so means this process is called condensation. देखो जब तुम फ्रिज से बॉटल निकालते हो तो उसके ऊपर भी, बॉटल के ऊपर भी ऊपर के सरफेस पे सम वाटर के ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं. ओके, सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. Drops of water appear on outer surface of the glass containing water with ice. Okay, so the drops of water that are appear on the outer surface of the glass. So this process is called condensation. Are you getting my point? So you can do this at your home also. You take one bottle from your fridge and observe some water droplets are appear on the outer surface of the bottle. So means the vapor is condensed with the air, and that this vapor only appear or settle on the outer surface of the bottle. So this process is called condensation. So students, the process of condensation plays an important role in bringing water back to the surface of earth. Correct? So this process, what is the important role of this process? So this process bringing water back to the surface of the earth. So we will see how does it happen. Okay. So student, one example of a condense. See, when you are when you are bringing ice cream from the shop, that time also you will also find some water droplets are settled on the outer side of that ice cream glass or ice cream cup. होता है ना, means जो ग्लास आइसक्रीम का, जब हम आइसक्रीम शॉप से खरीद के लाते हैं तो उसके साइड के बाहर के एरिया में, मतलब ग्लास के बाहर के साइड में भी, आइसक्रीम कप के बाहर के साइड में भी छोटे छोटे वाटर के ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं. मीन्स व्हाट, द वाटर दैट और मीन्स व्हाट, वेपर दैट कम्स फ्रॉम दैट आइसक्रीम that will condense on the outer surface of that cup or glass. Okay, so student, this condensation bringing water back to the surface of the earth. Okay, as we go higher from the surface of the earth, it gets cooler. Correct. जब हम hills पे जाते हैं, mountains पे जाते हैं, then we feel very cold. Okay, see, all of you know Himalaya mountain. It is very high mountain. Okay, and when we go into that mountain, then how we will feel? We will feel very cold. When the air moves up, it goes cooler and cooler. When you go up and up, then you feel very cooler and cooler. At sufficient height, the air becomes so cool that the water vapor present in it condense to form tiny drops of water called droplets. Then how will clouds form? See, when the air goes higher and higher. Okay, and when air goes at sufficient height, then the air becomes so cool, and the water vapor present in it and the water vapor that present in the air that get condensed. Okay, that get condensed, and that water vapor form tiny drops of water, and that vapors only forms tiny drops of water, and so this is called droplets. Okay, and it is these tiny droplets that remain floating in air and appear to us clouds. और वो जो एयर के ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं वो फिर से फ्लोट होते हैं. ओके, फ्लोट मीन्स फ्लोट होते हैं एयर में, एंड देन व्हाट विल फॉर्म? क्लाउड्स विल form. It so happens that many droplets of water form together to form larger size drops of water. When many droplets of water come together and they form larger size drops of water. Okay, so some drops of water become so heavy that they begin to fall. Okay, and when all droplets of water come together and they form drops of water, and when they become so heavy, so they start to fall on the earth. So these falling water drops are what we call rain, and when that all droplets fall on the earth, that only we call rain is falling on the earth. In special conditions, it may also falls as a hail or a snow. In some places, the droplets are falls in form of a snow. Okay, means in Kashmir they are having snowfall, so that droplets are fall in the form of snow also. Okay, so thus water in the form of vapor goes into air by evaporation and transpiration, forms cloud, and then comes back to the ground as a rain, hail or a snow. Means only water in the water, it becomes when water gets sunlight. Okay, or in the sunlight water get heated. Okay, water get heated, and the water and from water what will form? Vapor will form. Okay, and that vapor is mixed with the air by evaporation and transpiration, and then that water vapor forms clouds and then comes back to the ground as a rain, hail or a snow. और वाटर वेपर्स के क्या बनते हैं? वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स, और ड्रॉपलेट्स से हमें क्या मिलता है? रेन. ओके, so student, this is about the condensation and how our clouds form. So student, next point, back to the ocean, that we will see in our next video.